damn classy. Bougie, ratchet, classy. Why ask me? Up and down. Hello everyone, Callie Stormdoll here, and today we're here with the Bratz sweetheart, Meygan. And this is the Bratz Collector Series. This is a re-release Meygan, as this doll has been released before. But I'm so happy to have her in my collection today. This is the sweetheart Meygan's doll. I did pre-order her from Amazon. She arrived a few days ago. On the back of the box, it does list everything we should be getting. It does have a little read up for the sweetheart Meygan. It says, if loved at first sight with this limited edition Bratz, exclusive that captures all the red hot fashion funk and smoldering style of the Bratz, celebrating their true passion, fashion. This little flat part that's in your box, do not throw that away. I was just looking at this and I was like, it looks like it's something in there. So when I opened it up, you get this really cool poster of Meygan. Those of you who are not going to open up your Meygan, this is for you, so you can kind of see what the poster will be given. But for those of you who are going to open up her poster, just remember it's all the way at the bottom, at the very bottom. It's a little flap and it's going to look like this, so don't throw it away. All right, we are back and we have Miss Meygan out of her packaging. We're going to look over her accessories. So she comes with this secondary outfit. It's a black top, hearts and rhinestones, with this jean skirt, and it also comes with these stockings, looking very good. This pink comb comes with this really cool necklace. These are her boots for her secondary outfit. They kind of remind me of the Bratz Rockstar boots. All right, and here are some of her accessories. You can see Meygan comes with a headband. She comes with a few barrettes and clips to put in her hair, a secondary purse, 2 necklaces, a bracelet, and looks like a change of earrings that match her secondary necklace, the one that's a charm for you. So that's pretty cool. That's a lot of stuff. All right, and here we have Meygan completely out of her packaging, and this is her at her first look. You can look down at her pants. She definitely gives me early 2000 vibes with the rhinestones and jewels all over her pants. The jeans are nice and thick, the rhinestones at the top. I love her oversized belt with the heart in the middle. She comes with this soft pink top. It has lace and ruffles. It looks really nice, and the belt is a secondary piece. She also does come with this purse, which looks very pretty. Her nails are not painted, but when we go up, this is Meygan's face sculpt. I love her glitterati eyeshadow. She has soft blue eyes, and then she has baby blue eyeshadow. And then she has on this like reddish lip, some soft blush. And the earrings she comes with are these cute little studs. Her hair have these little wisps coming around. As we know, Meygan is the redhead out of the Bratz, going up to her bun, which looks really good. So overall, Meygan is definitely giving me a 2001-2002 diva. Now, as far as her articulation goes, these new Bratz reboot dolls that have been coming out have a lot of points of articulation. She can move her head, she can tilt, she can look up and down, she has movement at the shoulders, she has a twist, she has a bend, she also has wrist articulation, she does have hip movement, she does bend and snap at the knee, and she bends and snap very easily. It's no articulation, and then at the bottom they do have the snap-on feet. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get Meygan into her secondary look and put on some of her cute secondary pieces. Meygan, are you ready to go to the e-party? Let's check it out now. Yes! Hey Meygan, hey Tilly, how are you? I'm great. Me and my man wanted to invite you down to the beach. Are you sure you want to come? Yes, look, I'm going to bring my camera. You know, I've been practicing some of my photography skills. Is that okay? Sure. All right, we are back, and Miss Meygan is flooded with accessories. Like, I imagine that you guys are gonna have a lot of fun redressing her. So this is her purse out of the packaging. For those of you who wanted to see a close-up look, I really like this purse. And if you look closely enough, it does have a little slit, but it is sewn clothes, but it is really, really pretty. I have on all her pieces, but I've decided to dress them up a little bit with a few accessories. So she does have her heart bracelet on. Meygan is kind of like the matchmaker of the school. She's the girl who can kind of manage how to get everyone in love. Now, I do want to say MGA, I only had one earring like this, so I did put this one in. I was missing the other one. I decided to put the little hearts in the middle of her bun like that, and then she has those two clips. So I think it's pretty. Meygan gives, you know, definitely the girl who knows all the tea in the school. She knows who's dating who. I love this doll. I'm so happy. I'm loving that they've been slowly but surely releasing more and more of the Bratz dolls. So Meygan is going to grab her camera and she's going to head down to the beach party with her friends. Hey Meygan, we're so excited about you coming down. Thanks. You look good, girl. Thanks. Meygan, we're also concerned about you. Why? You match up everyone at the school, but Meygan, we want to match up someone with you. Yeah, Meg, we want you happy too. I'm good. Yes. So it looks like Meygan is excited about going down to the beach, and it looks like she's ready to have a good time. If you guys are new to my channel, simply subscribe. Always leave me a comment below. And remember, if you have any questions about Meygan's review, the doll price point, she is currently $39.99 on Amazon. Do I think she's worth that? Well, Meygan could have easily went for $29, but with all her accessories, her articulation, and her style points, I'm not against it. Yes, there is gel in her hair. Everything you see here is hard. The wisp, the bun is hard, yes. But with a good washing, I think a lot of people will get a lot of fun play value out of this doll. She's a great addition to the party, and I'm happy to have her. I want to see you guys next time. Bye! Meygan, don't miss your friends at the beach.